Well, a hostile work environment is a term that's often, frankly, misused by people when they come to see me. There's a difference between what we consider hostility in terms of the day-to-day interaction and what would be legally actionable hostility. And I'll give you an example. Many employees come into me and they say, my boss yells at me, he or she is not very nice, they make snide comments to me, they never appreciate my work, they tend to denigrate me in the workplace. So I want to bring a claim of hostile work environment. And I will always ask them the question, does the boss treat everybody like that? In other words, if you're a woman, is he treating men the same way? If you're African American, is he treating other minority groups and white Americans the same way? If he is or she is engaging in conduct that humiliates you, is it just that they're a bad boss and are humiliating you, or is it linked to something else that the law legally allows you to complain about, which is, are you a member of a protected group? Do you have a race-based claim, a sex-based claim? Are you over the age of 40? Do you active duty or prior active duty military service? Do you have a disability? Is there an ethnic component to this? You're a member of an ethnic group they don't like. Because if the comments are just generally rude, I think the Supreme Court has summed it up best. They said we don't have a general civility code in the workplace. So the comments have to be linked to something else. They have to be linked to a statement about you as a woman, or you as a minority, or you as a disabled person, or you as a military member, or you as somebody over the age of 40. If they're not, in all honesty, the work environment can be very hostile, but there's not a lot I can do about it as an attorney. So many employees come into me and they say, I have a hostile work environment. And I will listen to them and recognize, quite frankly, that that work environment is not a very healthy place for them to work. But unless that's tied to one of these other things, unless the comments actually go to those other things, your race, your ethnicity, your sex, your age, your disability status, whether or not you're a veteran, unless they're related to that, they're simply comments from somebody that's rude and offensive. It's not necessarily something I can do something about legally. So if you're going to go see a lawyer on a hostile work environment claim, make sure that that claim is linked to something else, because just general hostility is not something that the law prohibits.